This is a full screen recording that we'll be conducting on Matrix software. Here I'm going to show you how we are going to make a pendant bale. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to be mostly drawing on this section of the portion. So we are going to be starting with a round circle. So here we are on a circle. So I made a circle, which is here you can see this is 1 mm, and each grid is 1 mm. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is 10 mm total width. Okay, and then we are going to be starting control points. So for that, I'll have to turn on control point here, click here, and then enter. The control point will be showing. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select it. What I did, just click here, left mouse click, control all the area that I want to drag, and then release. Now the gimbal is on. Then we're just pulling that by, like, say 2 mm. Okay, and then click outside, again click this area, and then push it by another mm. So here we're pushing out by 1 mm. So here we have almost like where we see a bale which is like 1, 2, 3, like each one is 5, 1, 2, 3, 15 mm of total bale we are going to be having. Now control escape, and then draw a line. Type the command line, and then draw a line on the second here there is like 2 mm off the thing. Before that, make sure you click this on this and this and this. This is the snaps, so it will snap on the grid, and this is to whether to use the grid for snapping or not. So you have to enable this. So this is the called snaps. So that will snap to the grid. Suppose if you were drawing a line, for example, like see, it is sitting on the grid. It is sitting exactly on the point. So it will guide us while drawing. So that is the reason I'm turning off that. So now what I'm going to do is trim this area. Okay. So in order to trim that area, I'm going to type a command called trim. So the cutting object is going to be this. Okay, and then enter, and then I'm going to just select these areas, and it is selected. And now I'm pressing the escape key. Now select the line and just delete it. How I deleted it? I typed DEL on the command, then delete option came, entered it, it is gone. Now what I'm going to do is offset this layer. See, I'm going to select it. Let's turn on the gimbal, turn off the gimbal off. So it's like turned off. Now here type the command offset. So offset, we are going to get offsetting this one by distance of 1 mm. So like say 1.25 mm. So that is the offset. We can offset above or below. So I'm going to offset below. Okay. So what I did, how it came, let's type offset. So here I told round cap. So it will cap the thing and it will round it. So it is round cap. So it is closing this area as a one circle, one product. So now what we are going to do, we are going to select it and then come here and extrude it. So either we can do it both side or single side. If you do it single side, it will come on one side. If you do both the side, it will come both the side. So here we want to do 4 mm, yes. So that's like 4 mm, yeah. 4 mm on right, 4 mm on left. That is going to be total of 8 mm total bale. Okay, then we have clicked it. So here is the bale made. You can see this is the bale. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to make a copy. Control C, Control V, and just drag it. We made a copy and kept it, and we are going to be working on this one. Let's hide this. So this one we are going to be working on. So click on this. How we are going to reduce this one, like, so how we are going to make it like that in a weak shape, and then what we are going to do, we are going to play around with this. First we have made our first shape, and then now we are going to play around how to make as a V-shaped, a little bit on the top to have a V shape. So we are going to select this, type command K, edit. So bounding box, world. So we are going to be having one on the top, one on the bottom. So that's like 2. Now we have 3. KJ edit, bounding box, world, y-axis, let's make 2. So here you can see like we have 2, one on the top, one on the bottom. So we are going to be selecting this. Right click here, press here and bring it, okay? Just now turn on the gumbo. It's gumbo, and then press here and bring it. So that's it, okay? So what we are going to do is we're just going to narrow it a little bit. Or we can come here, narrow this. So here we get a V shape already. So this is like the best. You can't press here and pull it. So it will keep moving like that, So always press onto your left and then bring it like that. Only then it will shrink to the nearest. Okay, so here if you see, you got a bale, a proper nice looking, it's like a proper bale you have got. Very smooth and nice and easy. Suppose if you are looking to make a more better bale, for example, let's say, let's put 3 points. Cage edit, bounding box, world, let's say y-axis. I have made 3. So what we are going to do is turn on the gumbo on. Just click here and you see now, turn off here. So this point, it's like now you're getting more like a better curvy shape. If you just come here and pull, so you have a better beauty looking shape now. So we can make a little bit this one. So here you can do whatever you want. You can play around and make the bale like that. Okay. So now we are going to be seeing how we are going to be doing the gumbo. The chamfer. So we are going to be chamfer. Fillet. We'll do fillet edges. So we are going to be doing like 0.5. So that look gives us a smooth, like one smooth right here, and then we will do the same here. If you see here, then we have a smooth curve here. So and then now it looks much better. It is more organic shape than whatever we thought. It came out very nice. So here you can attach it to any pendant. For example, I'll show you. Like, we store it to our bin. Nama. Now you have a proper pendant. You see, now you have this proper finished pendant with a big bale on the top. It looks a little bigger for this pendant, but it's okay, but on the graphic it looks a little better, but if you see it on real, it'll be proper. So this is how you make your bale for the pendant. Okay, and if you have any more request or any design to be made, you can contact us via comment box, and then we'll be more than happy to make that design and show you how to do it on matrix. And we are using matrix 9, and it is a beautiful program to do everything. And then I'll be covering small options on matrix in the initial stage. Later on I'll be showing you how to make the full designs. Okay, thank you, and be in touch. Please subscribe our channel, and then try to click the auto bell, all bell, so you can be in contact with our channel, and then you can get all the updates on your YouTube. Thank you. See you. Bye.